Welcome my students, how are you? Today we'll complete all examples about algebra to find the equation and solve of multiplication and division and so on. Okay, without using calculator. First we will solve question number 26. Question 26, okay? He told us if x negative third of x plus y equal 3 and y equal negative 2 over 3x plus 6, then y equal space. He want to find the value of y. First we can write negative third x plus y. We can write negative 2 over 3x plus 6 here. Let y equal negative 2 over 3x plus 6, and we'll complete the equation equal 3. Negative third x plus negative 2 over 3x equal negative 3 over 3x plus 6 equal 3. Okay, negative 3 over 3 equal negative 1, negative 1 multiply x equal negative x plus 6 equal 3. The next step, we can move negative 6, positive will be negative 6 by left hand side, right hand side, so we can write negative x equal negative 3, then x equal 3. It's okay, x equal 3. So he want to find the value of y. Let x equal 3 in this equation, then y equal negative 2, y equal negative 2 over 3 multiply by 3, because x, the value of x equal 3, multiply 3 plus 6. 3 divided by 3 equal 1, 1 times negative 2 equal negative 2, negative 2 plus 6 equal 4. So y will be 4. The value of y will be 4. Okay, it was question number 26. Next step, question 27. Look at question 27. 9 over 5a multiply by 4 over 3a equal space. We can write the result about 9 over 5 multiply 4 over 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. So 3 times 4 equal 12. And 1 times 5 equal 5. A multiply a equal a power 2. So the result will be 12 over 5 a power 2. We can convert this fraction to decimal by multiply 2 numerator and numerator, because 2 times 5 equal 10, so the result will be 10. 2 times 12 equal 24, then the result will be 24 over 10 a power 2 equal 2.4 a power 2, because 24 divided by 10 equal 2.4. We must write point after one digit from left hand side, so the result will be 2.4 a power 2, letter D. And what about question 28? Look with me about question 28. 28, if x plus 2.8 over 2 equal negative x minus 22 over 10, then x equal, write with me, x plus 2.8 over 2 equal negative x negative 22 over 10. We can simplify it. Okay, 2 divided by 2 equal 1, 10 divided by 2 equal 5, and 5 multiply x equal 5x. 5 times 2.8, 5 times 8 equal 40, 0 and carry up 4. 2 times 5 equal 10, 10 plus 4 equal 14. Equal 1 times negative x equal negative x, 1 times negative 22 equal negative 22. Negative x, we will move this term from right hand side to left hand side. 5x plus x equals 6x equal 22 it was negative, and 14 we can write negative 14 here. Again, positive 14 we can write negative 14 by right hand side, or 8 negative 14 to left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so negative x will move it by left hand side here. 5x plus x equals 6x, and 14 we will move it to right hand side, negative 22 minus 14. Then 6x equal negative 4 plus 2 equals 6, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then the next step we can divide it by 6, so x will be negative 6 by divided by 6. Okay, it was question 28. And what about question 29? Look about question 29 with me. Here write 8x subtract 3y plus 10 in parentheses divided negative half in brackets. Okay, 8x negative 3y plus 10 divided by negative half. Who can solve it? First, we can write the result about 8x and negative half. We can divide it using distribution about 8x and negative 0.5 negative half, because this expression we want to divide it all of the term in this expression about one term. So we must write 8x over negative half and negative 3y over negative half. Negative divided negative equal positive 0.5 plus 10 over negative half. We can find the result about the 8x over negative half multiplied by negative 8 and multiplied by negative 10 to cancel this point. Okay, the result will be negative 80x over 5 by multiply 10 numerator and numerator to symbolize this fraction. And what about 3y over half? We can multiply 10 numerator and numerator. The result will be 30y over 5, and positive divided by negative equal negative. 10 over half, we can multiply 10 numerator and numerator to cancel point in the numerator, because the numerator must be right a whole number, right? 5 here and 100 in numerator. 80 divided by 5, we can write negative here. 80 divided by 5 equals 16 and x, plus 30 divided by 5 equals 6y. Subtract 100 divided by 5, 110 divided by 5 equal 2, and 0 divided by 5 equals 0. Okay, so the result will be negative 16x plus 6y negative 20. The result will be letter D. It's about question 29. Okay, and what about question 30? Look at about question 30 with me. Question 30, here write 3.3 subtract negative 1.02 in brackets. We know negative multiply negative equal positive, so 3.3 plus 1.02 equal, we must equal parts, right? 0 here by right hand side, so 2 plus 0 equal 2, 0 plus 3 equal 3, 1 plus 3 equal 4, so the result will be 4.32 in hundreds. It's okay, letter C. We must choose letter C about question 30. And what about question 31? Question 31, he told us if a negative 2 p equal negative 4, then a equal, he want to find the value of a. Okay, a equal negative 4 plus 2 by move negative 2p by left hand side to right hand side, so a will be negative 4 plus 2p. The result will be what? Letter what? Letter A, because we can write it 2b subtract 4. We can replace two term here. Okay, right, 2b in the first and negative 4 in the second term, so 2b subtract 4, it's the result about value of a. And what about question 32? Look with me about 32 here. Okay, question 32. Question 32. He told us here in question 32, if negative 5x negative 2y equal 2x plus 5y, then y equal space. You can solve it. It's easy. You can move negative 5x by left hand side, right hand side here, and we can move to 5y from right hand side to left hand side. So we can write negative 2y negative 5y equal 2x plus 5x, and then we can find the result about negative 2y and negative 5y. Negative 2y and negative 5y equal negative 7y equals 7x. We can divide it by 7 because we want to find the value of y. So negative y equal x, then y will be equal negative x. Y equal negative x. Okay, it's about question 32. The result will be y equal what? Y equal negative x. Y equal negative x. Again, negative 5x subtract 2y equal 2x plus 5y. Negative 2y minus 5y equal 2x. Here 2x plus 5x. Then negative 2y subtract 5y equal negative 7y. 2x plus 5x equals 7x. You can divide it by 7. So negative y equal x is then y equal negative x. Y equal negative x. Okay, we must write here in question 32 negative x. Negative x here behind x. Negative behind x. Okay. Question 33. He write 24a subtract 36p in brackets divided by 12 over 5. We can using properties about multiplication by convert this operation from division to multiplication, right? Multiplication here and write the inverse about fraction 12 over 5 equal 5 over 12, and 24a subtract 36b here. And the next step we can using distribution about multiplication. Okay, and 24a multiply 5 over 12 subtract 36p multiply 5 over 12. Then we can simplify it by dividing 24 divided by 12 equal 2. 2 times 5 equal 10. So the result will be 10a subtract 36 divided by 12 equal 3. 3 times 5 equal 15, and write b behind it. Then the result will be 10a subtract 15b. We must choose letter C about question 33. Okay, and what about question 34? Question 34, right? To equation. Look about question 34 with me. It's okay. Question 34. Question 34. You write y equal x plus 9 and x power 2 subtract y power 2 equal negative 12. Then x plus y equal, you want to find the value of x plus y. We know x power 2 subtract y power 2, we can simplify. Okay, by factorize this expression. X subtract y multiply by x plus y equal negative 12. And we know y equal x plus 9, then we can write y subtract x equal what? Y subtract x equal 9, and x subtract y equal negative 9. So we can cancel this brackets here, x minus y, and write negative 9. Negative 9 multiplied by x plus y equal negative 12. Then the next step, we can divide it by negative 9 to find the result about x plus y. We can divide it by negative 9 by left hand side and right hand side, so the result will be x plus y equal 12 over 9. We can cancel negative divided by negative equal positive. 12 divided by 9, we can divide it by 3. So 12 divided by 3 equal 4, 9 divided by 3 equal 3, so the result will be 4 over 3. So the result about x plus y, question 34, the result will be 4 over 3. The result will be letter D. It's okay. And what about question 35? Question 35. Look at question 35 with me. 35, he give us x subtract y divided by third subtract 3x subtract 3y over 7. You want to find the result about this expression. Look at this properties. We can convert divided to multiplication, and third we can write 3 here. Subtract 3x over 7, it will be 3x over 7. Negative times negative equal positive. 3y over 7, the result will be 3 over 7y. It's okay. It was multiplication. 3 times y equal 3x. Subtract 3y, subtract 3 over 7x plus 3 over 7y. It's okay. We can write the result. Look at here, we can write 7 in denominator, and 7 times 3 equal 21. X. Subtract 7 times 3 equal 21. Y. Subtract 7 divided 7 equal 1. 1 times 3 equal 3. And 7 divided 7 equal 1 times 3 equal 3. Y. So we can write 7 here in the numerator, and 21x subtract 3x equal what? Equal 18x. 18x, and negative 21y plus 3y equal negative 18y. Okay, the result will be 18x subtract 18y over 7. The result will be what? No, look at the example again. Look at the example again. 21. We can write what the result will be here. We must write here 18x subtract 18y over 7. So the result will be a, but we can write here 1 behind 1 behind the 8 behind the 8. So the result will cancel this solution and write 18x subtract 18y over 7. Okay, this is the result about this example. And what about question 36? Look at with me about question 36. Question 36, we can write here question 36. Okay, question 36, he told us 1.5 x 1.5 multiplied by 8x subtract 6y. Who can solve it? It x. Okay, it x. Yes, it x. 1.5 multiply 8 x times x equal x power 2, and 8 times 1.5, 5 times 8 equal 40, 0 and carry a 4. 1 times 8 equal 8, 8 plus 4 equal 12. So the result will be 12x power 2 subtract 6 multiply 1.5, 5 times 15, 1.5, 6 times 5 equal 30, 0 and carry up 3. 1 times 6 equals 6, 6 plus 3 equals 9, and we can write xy behind it. So the result will be 12x power 2 subtract 9xy. It was the result about this expression. We're using distribution properties about multiplication and subtract in brackets. Okay, it was question 36. So the result will be 12x power 2 subtract 9xy. The result will be letter C about question 36. And what about question 37? Look with me here. 37. He gave us this example. Look at with me and write with your pen. Okay, 8x, subtract 7y over 5, subtract 3x, subtract 6y over 3. We can write 15 here because 15 divided by 5 equal 3 and 15 divided by 3 equal 5 because 15h it was least common multiplication about denominator. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. 3 times 8 equal 24. Right? 24x. Subtract 15 divided by 5 equal 3. 3 times 5 equal 21y. Subtract 15 divided by 3 equal 5. 5 times 3 equal 15x. And what about the sign here? Negative times negative equal positive. Don't forget this sign here. 15 divided by 5 equal 15 divided by 3 equal 5. 5 times 6 equal 30y. Okay, and 15 right here in denominator. 24x subtract 15x. We can cancel or subtract 24x and 15x. Find the result about this two term because these are similar. 24 subtract 15 equal 9x. And negative 21y plus 30y, we can write positive here because 30 more than 21. So 30 minus 21 equal 9y. So you can simplify it by dividing by 3 numerator and numerator. We can write here 15 divided by 3 equal 5, 9 divided by 3 equal 3, and x right behind it, and 9y divided by 3 equal 3y. So the result will be 3x plus 3y over 5. We must choose the result about question 37. What about the result? We can write 1 over 5 out here and open brackets, 3x plus 3y in brackets behind it. Okay, it's the result. We can choose a letter B about question 37. Okay, and what about question 38? Question 38, look at 38. Yes, 38 here. Look at question 38 here. Where's 38? Yes, here. That is question 38. We can solve by two equations. He gave us two equations and he want to find the value about y. Question 38. 38, he told us 17th x plus y equal 1.6 and 3/10 plus x negative y equal 2.4, and you want to find the value of y. First step, we can add first equation with the second equation. 17th plus 3/10 x, we can add them, the result will be x. Positive y plus negative y equals 0, and 1.6 plus 2.4, 4 plus 6 equal 10, 0, and carry 1, 2 plus 2 equal 4. So x will be 4, but he want to find the value of y, so we can write 4 here in the first equation. Let x equal 4. 4 times 0.7 plus y equal 1.6. So 4 multiply 7 equal 28, but the point after one digit. So the result will 2.8 plus y equals 16. Also, you can find the value of y by move 2.8 from left hand side to right hand side by subtract, because 2.8 was positive. We can move it from right hand side and we can place then is a sign from positive to negative. Okay, 2.8, and we can find the value of y by subtract. We can solve it. 16 subtract 2.8. We can write point and 0 behind it. We must equal parts about two digit, okay, or number. 0 minus 8, we can't find the result, so we must pour 1 from 16. 16 will be 15, and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 8 equal 2. 5 minus 2 equal 3, and we can write 1 here. So the result will be 13.2. It is the value of y about question 38. Okay, 13.2. It was 13.2. Sorry, it was 1.6. It was 1.6. Okay, so the result again, I will solve it here again. Okay, y equal 1.6 subtract 2.8. The result will be what? We know 2.8, the sign about this digit, this decimal number is negative, and 2.8 more than 2.6, so we must write negative here and subtract 8 subtract 6 equal 2, and 2 subtract 2 equal 1, so the result will be negative 1.2. Negative 1.2, the result will be letter C about question 28. Okay.